One cannot underestimate the power that comes from release. Watch closely. Here I'm using brute muscle, pushing hard, forcing power. But now look, here I simply release excess tension and he loses ground instantly. Here's another demonstration. He pushes, I push back, stiff, resisting, like two balls clashing. But the moment I let go, his strength is absorbed. I become a black hole. This is how softness conquers strength. This is the skill you develop through routine, the skill of release. So that brings up the real question. What is rooting? What you're seeing is just the effect of having a strong root. But rooting is beyond just having strong legs. It's about being in balance between yin and yang. Watch how I'm not relying on my feet. Using my hands to neutralize, or doing it with my feet parallel and still neutralize the pressure flowing into me. To root, you release the mind and the body becomes loose. Like the ocean, able to hold up a heavy ship and make it float with ease. That's buoyancy. That's internal power. See, I coach high performers, 6-figure plus earners, top fighters seeking that edge, and top movement coaches like Stefan A. Duvey. Because once you understand these principles, everything changes. So if you are in that category, check the link in the description or the pinned comment below.